Good day mga ga. So for today's video, I'll be presenting some of the modern philosophers who have significantly contributed to our understanding of ethics in contemporary society. So first, let's go. First, we have John Rawls. He is an American political philosopher in the liberal tradition. He is widely recognized for his theory of justice as fairness, which describes the society of free citizens holding equal basic rights and cooperating within a social economic system. Rawls' theory of political liberalism explores the legitimate use of political power in a democracy and envisions how civic unity might endure despite the diversity of worldview that free institutions allow. Rawls' concept of the original position is central to his theory of justice as fairness. Rawls' insight on how to create a fair and just society involve the use of original position and the veil of ignorance. To choose principles of justice that are fair and just for all members of society. So if you ever wonder what is the veil of ignorance, it is the development of just and equitable system that benefits all individuals regardless of their personal circumstances. And Rawls' theory of justice as fairness and his theory of political liberalism have been influential in political philosophy and may have been used to argue for principles of justice that benefit at least all in society and ensures civic unity in the face of diversity. The second modern philosopher, we have Peter Singer. He is a prominent consequentialist philosopher who has made significant contributions to modern consequentialism. Consequentialism is a moral theory that holds that actions should be judged by their consequences. And Singer's version of consequentialism emphasized the importance of expanding the scope of moral consideration beyond human boundaries to include the sentient beings such as non-humans and animals and future generations. Singer's work on consequentialism has been influential in various areas, including the ethics, politics, and environmental sustainability. In his book, Animal Liberation, Singer argued for the inclusion of the animals in the sphere of moral concern, challenging the idea that humans have privileged moral status over other animals. The next modern philosopher is Bertrand Russell. He is known for his contributions to various fields, including philosophy. Russell's stance on moral philosophy emphasized the desires underlying ethical systems, highlighting that ethical theories reflect the desires of their proponents. He believed that science alone cannot determine moral values, contrasting with views that suggest other ways of knowing. Russell argued that factual statements made by religion, including those existence about God, often fail when scrutinized against scientific inquiry. He contended that science, with its empirical method, is the primary means of ascertaining to truth, especially in contrast to religious claims about the universe. Russell's moral philosophy is marked by his clear-headedness, candor, and willingness to challenge established ethical theories. He has made significant contributions to ethical discourse, particularly in his exploration of the relationship between moral judgment, truth, and the nature of reality. The next modern philosopher, we have Alasdair Chalmers MacIntyre. He is a Scottish-American philosopher known for his contribution to moral and political philosophy, history of philosophy, and theology. MacIntyre's work is characterized by his emphasis on the importance of moral goods within community engaged in a practice. He argues that virtues should supplement rather than replace moral rules, highlighting the embeddedness of virtues in historically grounded social practices. So MacIntyre's approach to virtue ethics, as presented in his influential book After Virtue, it seeks to demonstrate that good judgment stems from good character and that being a good person is not about seeking to follow formal rules. His approach to virtue ethics aims to show that good judgment stems from good character, emphasizing the role of habits and knowledge in living a good life. Additionally, MacIntyre's political stance aligns with the defense of Aristotelian goods against the pursuit of external goods, critiquing liberalism and postmodern consumerism for sustaining capitalism. The last modern philosopher, we have Alan Badiou. He emphasizes that truth is not property of propositions or statements, but a dynamic process initiated by an event that disrupts the established order and opens up new possibilities for thought and action. Badiou's concept of truth is closely linked to his idea of an ethic of truths, which involves the declarations of fidelity to the events that seize individuals and a commitment to exploring the implications of these events in a consistent fashion. He argues that the truth is what comes to bear a hole in the knowledge, and from that hole, new knowledge can emerge. Badiou believes that ethics should be concerned with how individuals can continue to exceed their own beings and link the things they know in a consistent fashion via the effect of being seized by the not known. In essence, not known. Furthermore, Badiou's definition of truth in his ethics revolves around the process that challenges. Furthermore, Badiou's definition of truth in his ethics revolves around a process that challenges existing knowledge, opens up new possibilities, and requires individuals to remain faithful to the implications of events that disrupts the status quo.